Well, hello, my real estate friends. I hope your day is going fantastic. Here we go. We're going to get into some pop buy strategy and marketing ideas for the month of March because it's already going to be here really soon. Can't even believe it. So I had to shut down the green screen today just so I could wear my green for you and show you some of my green goodies that I got. So if you're ready, we're going to go ahead and jump in it. If you're new here, I appreciate you for joining my craziness on this channel. I like to share a lot of marketing ideas, just lead gen strategies, all kinds of stuff from this wonderful business as being a real estate agent. And so I welcome you for being here. Go ahead, hit subscribe if you hadn't. I would really appreciate that. So we'll just be great real estate friends. So let's go ahead and jump in it. March marketing ideas. So of course, as you know, St. Patrick's Day is March 17th. This is a super easy way to show up past leads, current past clients, current leads, all the things. And I think I shared this with you, but I always bring a pop by anytime I'm meeting anybody new for the month. So if I am doing a pop by that month, I'll always make like a few extra. So for listing appointments or meeting a buyer for the first time, I'll just bring it and give it to them. Why not? I've actually gotten a few listings that way. I had a lady call me one time. She's like, I lost your card, but you had given us our your spice jar for when you came out to visit. And she said, and it had your contact details on there. So if it weren't for that spice jar, I never would have known how to contact you. So there's that, right? In any case, you don't have to do pop buys every month. Okay. It's just, I try to provide some ideas every month. All right. If it's a quarterly strategy, whatever your budget is. All right. Don't feel obligated. I have put together a little pop buy tag bundle for you. It's over in my Etsy shop. I will link it below. It's $5. You go in here, edit it super quick, super fast, easy in Canva, all for free. You print it and you tag it, and that's it. So let's talk about this first one. This is the pinch, how are you going to say it? Pinch protection. Now, I had bought these green necklaces. Aren't they so cute? I got them at the Dollar Tree. They were $1.25. I think I got these last year. But in any case, they have the little cardboard little piece to them. So what you can do with this part of the tag is you just add your picture, your little phone number, whatever. And it says, here to protect you from the market pinch and upcoming festivities. Happy St. Patrick's Day. And you could literally take this thing right here and just go hang it on their doorknob and you're done. Like, so cheap, so affordable. This will give them a smile for the day. You'll stay top of mind, all the things. If you want a different idea, on my webpage over here, there's also a link to necklaces that, for Amazon. And these come out to be about 48 cents per strand. So you get 60 pieces for $25. If you prefer to do that, you could just kind of mix them in. The link to the site, this website, that then will give you the links to all this other stuff. I will link it below. Okay. I'll link this below as well as the pop by tag bundle if you're interested in that. But any case, y'all see my Elvis stuff over here on my car? I'm on an Elvis kick right now. Who loves Elvis? This guy, I can't even believe it. Like, I'm like, got so involved in the story and all of this stuff. Like, look how cute this t-shirt is. I just think that's so cute. I want to get that. But anyway, I'm on an Elvis kick right now. I just think the whole story is fascinating. And I tell you what, I am like, I didn't even know Graceland was a thing, like to go visit it. Oh, I am dying to go to Graceland. Who has been to Graceland? Please let me know what that was like. I am just dying to go visit there. I cannot wait. But I've definitely got that on my plan for the coming year because I just think that's so cool. In any case, let me just not get off topic on Elvis right now. Other option would be if you want to go more with like the buttons, and I actually have bought the buttons too. And I've got the link to the buttons. This is what it looks like. It comes in a box like this. And you get quite a few of them. But if you click the link here, brings up the buttons, you get 48 pieces for $7.96. Super affordable. And they're really decent quality. Like, the size of them's pretty good. But with your pop-by tag here, you're going to be able to print it like this in this size, and then you just clip your 2 buttons, right? And so the whole thing is that it's pinch protection, and then it's an arrow pointing to you because you're going to protect them from the real estate market. And then the buttons that they wear, and then they're protected on St. Patrick's Day from getting pinched. So that is that piece that you get with the bundle. You also get the social media post as well that you can post for St. Patrick's Day. All right, cool. So, let's see. Of course, if you want to mail this, you definitely can. This would be super affordable to mail. If you want to get some bubble mailers, you can do that. Little Happy Mail stickers, as always. All right, let them know what's going on with the Happy Mail. The next one is the first day of spring. So, first day of spring is on March the 20th. And it would be super cute just to add, I don't know, some kind of cleaning product, maybe even like one of those what do you call those little sponges with the faces, the scrubby sponges. You could tie one of those on there, whatever, it's the little things. I know this stuff's super cheesy, but it actually makes a huge impression. Home spring cleaning season is here and shiny new properties are hitting the market. Call me for details. It's just a way to show up, provide some value, stay top of mind. And of course, you get the little social media post as well for the first day of spring. So it's all about spring cleaning right there. Of course, all these are clickable. You can click on those. The Windex, if you wanted to go the Windex route, you would be looking at, you get a total of 6. Holy moly, it's $3.50. Price of stuff's going up. $3.50 for a bottle of Windex. Okay, so if you wanted to go that route, you might could find it less expensive, like at your grocery store. I just don't know the quantity that they might have on hand, but in any case, National Waffle Day is March the 25th. This one's super, super fun. Share a sweet gift, celebrate Waffle Day, also letting your clients and leads know how much you appreciate their referrals with the pop by. So I appreciate your referrals a waffle lot. Happy National Waffle Day from your favorite realtor. And it also comes with a social media post, so that is there for you. You could tie a little bag of waffle mix, right? And so if you want to go the waffle mix route, right now they have pack of 9 for $12, so or $11.49. So let's see, $11.50 divided by 9 is $1.27. So not too bad. But you could tie it, up with a cute little ribbon. Put your little tag on there. If you want to get super fancy, you can add it in one of these super cute clear bags. These are like Hyper Clear. And just have it stand out that much more. If you wanted to add some tissue paper or whatnot, you could always mail it too, whichever, but it's the whole purpose of it. The whole purpose of it is just to stay top of mind. I mean, at the end of the day, that's all we're trying to do without breaking the bank. It doesn't have to be anything ever expensive. Of course, I have the spring lead magnet kit over in my Etsy shop. If you don't want to do like gift, like, tangible items where you just like drop off stuff, you can put the spring lead magnet kit is in my Etsy shop. This is just a one and done kind of thing. It's a digital product. So you brand it with your branding, and they receive the ultimate 30-day declutter challenge. They're going to get like a 30-day checklist of what to clean in the house. And it just kind of takes them room by room. And they have little spots that they could put reflection on and all of that kind of stuff. But it's just a neat way to show up. Of course, you're going to get social media posts, Facebook banners, story templates, text mock-ups. So you got all your branding kit there to promote it, to maybe even draw in some new leads. Now, this is $12, but you pay for it one time and you can email it to everybody in your database. And keep a copy for yourself if you want. Now, if you are not familiar with lead magnets at all, of course, I do have my lead magnet workshop. This is a super fun one. It's like a 2 to 3 hour workshop where I literally go step by step and show you how to collect leads while you're asleep. Okay. I show you how to set it up all on autopilot system to where and even if you're not techie, like if you know nothing about nothing, I'm showing you exactly how to create your landing page, how to create your opt-in form, everything. We go step by step. and actually included in the workshop's $17, but included in the workshop is the spring lead magnet kit. So you get it. All right. So if you're thinking about the spring lead magnet kit, you may just want to pay the extra $5, get the whole workshop. You're going to get some extra templates and other goodies and stuff in there too. So I would love to have you. I will be sure to link the lead magnet workshop below so that you have that. But I don't really have anything video wise today to share. I scoured a little bit. I looked through some stuff, and this was I didn't really see anything like creative kind of stuff. I try to find some kind of fun video and all. Like I know we had one in February, a few videos here in February. But in any case, that's what I got. So nothing left for us to do but get out there, go get our Popeyes, go spread the joy. Let everybody know that we love them and we appreciate them, and just remind them that we're out here working for them. And yeah, so let me know what your thoughts are. Are you going to do a Popeye this month? What are you going to do? I'm curious to know. I love you so much. I will see you on the next video. Let's get out there. Let's get it. Love you. Bye.